LaunchLemonade AI is making waves right now, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to give you the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. Things that could change the way you approach marketing and automation forever. Stick around until the end because I'll also give you some of my personal recommendations for other top AI tools to try based on years of experience. First off, what makes LaunchLemonade AI stand out from the crowd? For starters, this AI software is designed to streamline and automate digital marketing tasks in ways that were never possible before. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools to handle your email campaigns, social media posts, and customer interactions, LaunchLemonade AI is a game changer. It brings all of that into one place, making it much easier to manage your marketing efforts with just a few clicks. One of the most impressive features of LaunchLemonade AI is its predictive analytics. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze customer behavior and predict future trends. This means you don't have to guess which marketing strategies will work. You can rely on data-driven insights to guide your decisions. This can help you optimize campaigns in real time, saving you both time and money. Another key benefit is the automated content generation. LaunchLemonade AI can create high-quality content for you based on just a few input parameters. Whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or email copy, the software does all the heavy lifting for you. And the best part? The content is fully optimized for SEO, so you're not just saving time. You're improving your chances of ranking higher on search engines too. But that's not all. One of the standout features of LaunchLemonade AI is its integration with other marketing platforms. If you already use tools like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Shopify, you can easily connect them to LaunchLemonade AI for a more seamless workflow. This integration allows you to manage all your campaigns from one central dashboard, making it easier to track performance and optimize in real time. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Unlike other AI platforms that require a steep learning curve, LaunchLemonade AI is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed with marketers in mind. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll be able to dive in and start seeing results right away. This is huge for businesses that don't have the time to train their teams on complex software. One thing that really sets LaunchLemonade AI apart is its customer support. The team behind this software is committed to helping users get the most out of the platform. They offer 24/7 support via chat, email, and even phone calls if necessary. So if you ever run into an issue or have a question, you won't be left hanging. Lastly, the price point. A lot of AI software out there is extremely expensive, especially if you're a small business or just starting out. LaunchLemonade AI, however, is priced competitively, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes. Plus, there's a free trial available, which means you can try it risk-free before making any commitments. If you're new to this software, here's the best part. You can try LaunchLemonade AI for completely free through the first link in the description below. This means you get to explore everything this platform has to offer without spending a dime. And trust me, with everything LaunchLemonade AI brings to the table, it's worth checking out. Now, as promised, I've tried thousands of AI software solutions over the years, and I've listed my top recommended options in the description below, including some free trials so you can explore the best tools for your needs. That's it for my LaunchLemonade AI review. I hope this helps you make a more informed decision about whether this is the right tool for your digital marketing strategy.